Students, today we are starting a new chapter, lesson number 5, acids, bases and salts. So in this video I am covering only few topics like what is acids, what is bases and what is salt and acid rain. So we should start now. Dear students, as you know, we are using so many different items, different substances in our daily life. They can be classified as acids, bases, or natural substances. Example, lemon juice, it is acidic nature, baking soda, basic in nature, and common salt is neutral. Common salt, whatever we are using in a daily meal. So these substances have different properties, different taste, and according to which they are identified as acids, bases or salts, they have different properties. So one by one we are discussing about them. First is acid, a substance which tastes sour and turn blue litmus paper red. This type of substance is called acid. Like vinegar, orange, lemon, they are acid. You know, students, there are two type of acids, weak acids and strong acids. The acids present in fruits, vegetables, curd, milk, they are mild in nature, means they have weak acids, they are weak acids. And some of the acids are derived from minerals, means we are getting from the minerals from the earth crust. They are strong in nature, so they are strong acid like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid. They are very strong and they are very dangerous for our skin, for our clothes, because they can damage them. So we should be careful before handling them. Now, salt. Salt is produced by the reaction of an acid with a base. Means when acid and base will be react with each other, one new substance will form, it is salt. And the chemical formula for salt is sodium chloride, NaCl, and it is one of the most common ingredients in the diet. Now I am telling you about the base. A substance which is bitter in taste, feels soapy to touch, means if you will take the solution of the base in between of your fingers, you will feel slippery or soapy to touch, and it turns red litmus paper blue. And bases examples are soap, detergent, antacid, lime water. They all are the bases. They are also can be weak or strong. Weak bases we can use for our daily purpose like window cleaner and all. They are weak bases, so they are not harmful. But strong bases, they are very dangerous for our skin, like lime water. We cannot use such type of bases directly with our hand. So examples are basis examples are soap, detergents, chemicals like bleaching powder, fertilizers. They all are the bases. Now here you can see one picture of acids and base. Examples are given here. Upper side acids examples are given like tea, fruits, battery acids, vinegar, all. And downside bases examples are given like baking soda, ammonia, soap, etc. given. Now I am telling you about the acid rain. Dear students, acid rain is very dangerous for us. Acid rains means rainwater which dissolve the pollutants like carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide to forms very strong acid like carbonic acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Here also in this diagram you can see from the factories, so many pollutant gases like carbon dioxide, nitric oxide, sulfuric oxide, sulfur dioxide, they are very dangerous for our atmosphere. They are releasing from the factories and going to the atmosphere, mixing in the rain, and when they will dissolve in the rain, and these gases will form along with rainwater very strong acids like carbonic acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. And sometime this rainwater, along with this rainwater, snow and hail hailing will be there. So these acids will damage so many things like buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. Even living thing and non-living thing both will be get damaged by the acid rain. This acid rain is very dangerous for soil also. Soil also will get unfertile when they will come with the contact of acid rain. So this acid rain is very dangerous for us.